I don't, but I can get one if I watch too much TV or too much phone. You should not watch too much TV or phone. It's bad for your eyes, bad for your neck, bad for your brain, because then you're dumb, and also you watch like this, so that you get a neck problem and eye problem. Read books. One day I went to the restaurant and I saw the kids on the phone, parents on the phone, everyone on the phone. There was no family time. You have to have family time. You have to read books, because if you don't read books, you are dumb. So you have to read books. You can watch very little TV. So when you have the family together, you have to spend time and know the family. Don't be on the phone. Read books. Spend time with the family. Have timetable for reading, timetable for studies, timetable for playing, time for family to be together. Anyway, how come kids can get a phone? They don't have money. Parents have the money, so parents only get the phone. And why does parents give phone to the kids? Because the parents want to watch TV and all, so they give the kids the phone. So dear parents, don't give your kids the phone. Give them your time. And dear kids, and if your parents give you the phone, don't take the phone. Phone makes you dumb. Read books on new things. But if your parents still give you, then you just give them back it. So remember, no phone, no TV. Anyway, I had one question about one of the subscribers. How old I am? I am 5 years old. Please post your comments and questions. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe Saanvi's World. Bye.